Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Ken, also known as MrKenDenis. So, in today's video, I'm going to share my 2 cents on the IGTV versus YouTube debate. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys click on the subscribe button down below and also that bell so you get notified when I have a new video up. I basically do a lot of beauty, hair, lifestyle, vlogging type videos. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. So, IGTV came to prominence, or came to our attention this week. I honestly didn't know it was coming out. I had no idea. Someone just posted about it on a Facebook group that I was a part of, and I checked it out and I thought, oh, it's probably going to come out at some point next week or in the next month or two. And then I realized, no, it's actually out. So I downloaded it on my phone and yeah, started playing around with it, and I was a little bit confused with the interface, to be completely honest. But once I got the hang of it, I suppose hooked. I really like the concept, to be completely honest. I know a lot of people were complaining that, you know, you have to watch it in the vertical position, how annoying. And I hear you, and at first that's what I thought too. But the more I thought about it, you know, you can just kind of get away with just getting the person to tilt their phone, like what I'm getting people to do now. If you guys are watching on IGTV, just tilt your phone and you still get the full screen resolution that we're all used to. But I also like how it's a little bit different compared to YouTube. I feel like with YouTube it's like all professional cinematic sort of like videos, like what I'm doing now, but with IGTV you can definitely get away with just vlogging stuff on your phone. And then just kind of like mishmashing it together and you're done. And you know, most people, and you know, everyone holds their phone like this anyway when they're using it just to text and reply to emails and whatnot, unless you like the landscape, but I prefer doing it like this. But you know what I mean, like you can just whip out your phone and then just like vlog like this, and it's kind of like you're Snapchatting or Instagram storying things anyway, except it's longer now, and you know, you can just lightly edit it and then you can upload it. So I think it's definitely something like YouTube but different. Like honestly, I don't actually know what I'm going to do with my IGTV account yet. I have just thought I would probably just use it for vlogging, like casual vlogging. I'll still do vlogs, like proper cinematic sort of like vlogs like this one on YouTube, and the occasional video on IGTV as well. But I think most of the vlogs that I'm going to be uploading on IGTV will just be used from my phone, just because I think it's just easier and it's just more casual. I don't know, I feel like vlogs these days on YouTube have definitely become a little bit more cinematic, as opposed to just, you know, more chit chat, sort of like vlogging, like sit down stuff. I feel like Instagram stories has become that, but it's quite annoying because, you know, you only have 15 seconds and then it stops and then you have to post it and then you have to kind of like get back to your train of thought and then continue on, you know what I mean. Obviously there are apps that you can use to cut the stories up so that you can upload it onto Instagram stories, but I don't know, I think that's a lot of work, and if I just want to go like on a rant or a tangent or just like share my thoughts and opinions with you guys really quickly, I can just whip out my phone and like, hey girl, here's what I have something to say today. It's like almost 11 at night when I'm filming this, guys, so bear with me. Do I think YouTube will die because of IGTV? I honestly don't think so. I think YouTube is so well ingrained into society these days that it's going to be really hard for a new platform to come in. Yes, IGTV will definitely give YouTube some competition. Definitely will. Girl, I think it definitely will. I think it will just only improve the platform, because now there's someone with potential to take money from them, essentially. So I think it's good because YouTube is going to maybe fix the algorithm. So what do I think about the features on IGTV? I think it's pretty cool. I mean, the interface, it's something to get used to. I mean, that's how I felt when I started using Snapchat too. In the beginning, I was very, very confused. Like, just, it was so alien to me. So I think it's definitely something that I will get used to. In terms of the amount of features that it has already, I think, you know, there's definitely a lot of room for improvement. Honestly, I think when IGTV, if and when it decides to bring in monetization, so, you know, earn money from your videos, comes into play, I think that's when IGTV will become an actual real competitor with YouTube. I've been talking to a lot of my friends and other fellow content creators, and a lot of them have said that they won't really invest so much time on IGTV unless IGTV brings out the whole ability to earn money from it. And I know earning money as an influencer is a heated topic as it is, but it's just the reality of things. You know, a lot of us actually do rely on the income social media brings us. I don't rely so much on the income that I get from social media, but it would be nice. So, you know, keep watching. But, you know, I do have a couple of friends that actually do make a full-time living off social media, so it's understandable that they don't want to invest so much time on another platform. I mean, yes, there's the potential for bringing in new followers and stuff like that, but at the end of the day, you also have to think about how much money you're going to be earning, and if you're spending so much time on the new platform and not on the other platform that's giving you all your money, then yeah, it's like no-brainer. But yeah, those are my thoughts and opinions of IGTV versus YouTube. I honestly will spend time on both platforms. I'm not going to abandon my YouTube channel. I'm definitely going to continue on YouTube. It's still got a special place in my heart, and like I said, it's a different platform, and I won't really think about moving over completely until the monetization thing is an actual thing. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you guys enjoyed. Tell me down in the comment box down below, what are your thoughts and opinions of IGTV? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Are you guys going to go move over there permanently, or are you guys going to stick onto YouTube? Let me know what you guys think, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.